Are you struggling to grow your audience on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram? Ever wondered how some creators seem to explode overnight? In this video, I'm going to reveal an AI tool that can automate your video creation and help you skyrocket your growth on these platforms, even if you're starting from scratch. Stay tuned, because I'm about to show you how it's done. But before we break down the steps in growing your platforms, I want to show you what tool I've got. It is designed to automate the creation of short-form videos for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. It handles everything from generating video ideas to scripting, editing, and posting. Additionally, you can create high-quality, engaging content across various niches with minimal effort, making it easier than ever to grow your online presence and reach new audiences. Waking up in the morning to a notification that your latest short-form video is live, a video you didn't create, edit, or even write a script for has more engagement. It's a powerful tool that makes creating short videos so much easier. This tool is no other than AutoShorts.ai. From the name itself, it automates short-form video content. Some of the videos we'll create will focus on the tool's predefined niches, which are like ready-made categories that simplify the process. Additionally, I'll make a video for a custom niche that you choose. This will demonstrate how the tool handles both standard categories and personalized niches. Now, it's important to note that AutoShorts has a limitation of creating 1 or 2 videos per day, depending on if you are on a free plan or paid plan. To better understand its capabilities across different niches, I highly recommend watching all the examples I'll be creating throughout this tutorial. This will give you a better idea of the variety of content the tool can generate for different niches. If you want to watch only some examples, each niche has its dedicated section in the video. So, how to use this platform? Let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. Understanding the pricing structure. To help you choose the best plan, let's review the pricing options. There are 4 plans: free, starter, daily, and hardcore. The free plan allows one series with limited features for editing and previewing videos. The starter plan costs $19 a month and lets you post 3 times a week. The daily plan, at $39 a month, allows for daily posts. The hardcore plan, designed for heavy users, costs $69 a month and supports posting twice a day. You can create multiple series with any plan, and you can add more series by clicking the plus sign. Step 2. Go to AutoShorts.ai in your webpage, search for AutoShorts.ai. This is what it looks like. Sign up using your Google account. It's simple. Once you're logged in, click on Visit Dashboard on the left side to access many options. Step 3. Creating a series. The first option is series. So, what exactly is a series? Think of it as a niche or theme for your videos. For instance, philosophy, fun facts, and motivational are all examples of series. This AI tool streamlines video creation within these niches, helping you save time, money, and effort. So first, you need to create a series. Click on Create and choose a platform, which is where you want your video series to be posted, like your YouTube channel or TikTok page. Note that, in the free plan, you can only select the download option and manually upload the video to your channel. If you switch to a paid account, the automatic upload feature becomes available, allowing you to select your TikTok page or YouTube channel for automatic uploads. Scheduling is also an option, which I'll cover shortly. For now, I'll choose Email it to me. Step 4. Choose a niche. This is where you choose the topic for your video series. AutoShorts provides a range of trending niches on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. For the first example, I'll go with motivational. Step 5. Pick a voice, language, and duration. Next, I'll choose a voice. You can listen to the available options and select the one that best fits your niche. Currently, there are a few voices, with more to be added soon. Then, you need to pick a language from the many available choices. I'll select English for this tutorial. After that, you'll choose the video's duration, either under 1 minute or over 1 minute. A tip for beginners: start with shorter videos. YouTube and TikTok algorithms favor videos with high watch-through rates, meaning the more viewers watch your videos to the end, the more likely the algorithm is to promote them to a broader audience. Step 6. Create the series and let the AI generate the video. Simply click on Create Series, and AutoShorts will begin generating your video. In just a minute, it produces the title, captions, script, and background music. After rendering is complete, you have full control to customize every element. Step 7. Customize the video. Title, script, captions, music. You can adjust the title, script, captions, and background music to suit your preferences. Everything is fully customizable. The best part is that with this tool, you won't have to worry about duplicate content or copyright problems. Auto Shorts generates new and unique videos every time. Step 8. Download or schedule the video. If you've ever spent hours editing just 1 minute of high-quality video content, you know the struggle. With this tool, you can easily adjust the title, captions, and script, change the background music, and schedule when your series goes live on your channel. After making your changes, simply click Update Video. To download the video, just click to save it to your device. Additionally, the series settings allow you to add a custom watermark that will appear in the corner of your video. Now let us learn the strategies for growth. Strategy number 1. Consistency. Consistency in posting is crucial for audience growth. Utilize Auto Shorts to schedule your videos and maintain a regular posting routine. Strive to publish at least one video daily to keep your audience engaged and draw in new followers. Strategy number 2. Engagement. Engage with your audience by replying to comments, asking questions, and inviting them to share their opinions. Creating a community around your content helps build loyalty and attracts more followers. Strategy number 3. SEO optimization. Add relevant keywords into your titles, descriptions, and tags to boost your visibility on search engines. Explore trending topics within your niche and develop content based on these keywords to draw in a larger audience. And that's a wrap for today's deep dive into Auto Shorts. We've seen how this powerful AI tool can automate your video creation process, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality content across trending niches. You can create motivational short videos and even diving into custom niches. Auto Shorts has you covered. Remember, with the right tool and strategies, you can grow your audience and boost engagement like never before. If you're just starting out or looking to streamline your content creation, Auto Shorts offers a game-changing solution to help you reach your goals. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What niche or type of content are you excited to create with Auto Shorts? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to see what you come up with. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more content like this. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating, keep innovating, and as always, keep striving for greatness.